In this video, I will be explaining the top courses platform like edX, Coursera, Ellison, Udemy and Edjonix, how that works. So everything will be explained in this short video. So this is the edX website. So you can see a popular subject and you can select any of the subjects here. You will be having more than 2500 plus online courses from 140 institutions. You can see you will be getting the courses from the Harvard University, and these courses, all of these courses will be free to access. So let me show how that will be. I will be just enrolling for one course. So I got a request for the Django courses, so I'm just enrolling for one course here. So you can see here there are one result for the Django courses. So one is for Django program. So what is program means, here you will be getting the professional degree. Means if you pay the money, then you will be getting the professional degree. Otherwise you will be getting the access for the courses. So you can see here 6 months will be required to complete this degree. And what you will be learning in this course means, so you can just here see this one, introduction to the computer science and web programming with Python and JavaScript, and you can see here Django. So you will be getting to learn that. So this is a professional degree. It is similar to the learning pathway. So you can just go to this course and waive the course, and you can enroll to this course. So I am just enrolling for this course. So now I am enrolling to this course. You can see here there are two pathways, two options will be there. First one is personal verified certificate, and for this you have to pay 6,738 rupees. But and second option is audit this course. So here you will not be getting a certification, but you will be getting complete access to all course materials, activities, tests and forms. So I will just click on this audit this course. Now I am successfully enrolled for this course and it is for completely free. So I can just start course here, and you can also apply for the financial assistance where you will be getting the course for free along with the certification. So I am just starting this course. So you will be getting the lectures like this. Just click on the videos and you have to complete all of the materials here. So this is about the edX. So let me briefly come to a conclusion about the edX. All of the courses which are provided in the edX will be free to access, and you can audit the course, but you won't be getting the certification. So in some of the courses there will be having a specific time period, means you have to finish that within 3 months, like that you will be having. But almost all of the courses will be having the self-paced, means you can learn at any time. So you can finish the. So now let us go to the Coursera. So here Coursera, you can enroll to any of the courses, but there is some restriction. So you will be getting some of the courses for free, but all of the, let me take one UI and UX design specialization. So there are so many specialization courses will be there, and you won't be getting completely all of the courses for free, but in some of the courses will be free. You can access the course, but you won't be getting the certification. And now at present Coursera is providing some of the courses for free along with the certification. I have made a video on that. If you haven't watched that video, then please watch that video. I will be providing the video link in the description. So UX design specialization course. So if I just click on the enroll for free, if I go to enroll, I will be getting a note that 7-day free trial will be there, and after that you have to pay 3,698 per month. So you can see in edX all of the programs and the professional certificate which you can see here, all of them will be having the courses, and you can enroll to any of these courses completely for free and access complete content. But in Coursera you won't be having that. In some courses and some specialization courses you won't be getting that opportunity. You can enroll to that for 7 days for free, and after that you have to pay money per month until you finish that course. So this is about the Coursera. We will be having some courses which are free to access. You won't be getting the certification, but at present Coursera is providing some certification courses for free. You can watch that video of mine. I will provide the video link in the description. So this is about the Coursera. And now let us go to the Ellison. So as I said, I will be explaining completely how Ellison works. So you can choose any of the courses which is present here. All of the courses which are present here is completely for free, but you won't be getting the certification, and this is similar to the EDX. But there are some courses which you will be getting the certification. Some of the courses from the Elison will be for free along with the certification, but EDX provides all of the courses for free, but they do not provide the certification for free. Elison provides all of the courses for free, but they provide some of the certification for free. And you can see here there are so many courses like diploma in mental health. So you can enroll to this course, and this is self-paced. All of the courses which are provided in the Elison will be self-paced. So you can enroll to this course and you can learn from you can finish that course within a year or 2 year or 10 year, maybe 20 years, so that doesn't matter. But EDX is not like that. You have to finish that within a stipulated period. If the course content or duration is for 6 months, then you have to finish that within 6 months. But if a self-paced course, then you can finish it whenever you like. So this is about the Elison. So the EDX and Elison works similarly, but the slight difference is that you will be getting some of the courses for free along with certification in Elison, but you won't be getting any of the certification for free in EDX. And also there will be completely self-paced courses in Elison, but in EDX there will be some amount of the self-paced courses only. So this is about the Elison, EDX and Coursera. So now let us go to the Udemy. So this is a website of the Udemy. So you can see here in Udemy there are free courses and paid courses. So I am just clicking on the development so to show you. So now I am filtering it out by price. So I am filtering it out by free courses. So you can see 2181 courses are there for free. So you can see here these are the courses which are for free. But the thing is, you won't be getting any certification. Reason is Udemy has changed some of its rules, and from all of the courses which are free in Udemy, you won't be getting any of the certificate. Now you may be confused about the courses link which I will provide. So the thing is that let me just go to the home page and show you something so that all of your doubts will be clear. You can see here this course has been provided free by me in my WhatsApp group, also in my free courses Mela video also. So the thing is that you will be getting the certification for the paid courses. So all of these are paid courses. So how did I get this course for free means the content creator will be providing their courses for free. So why they are providing courses for free means they want to market their courses and also promote their courses and want more students to enroll. So they will be providing the courses for free for limited period. So at that time I will be providing that link to you and you can enroll to that course, and if you enroll to that course you will be having the free access to a complete course, and along with that you will be getting the certification also. This is about the Udemy platform. So you can get the free courses also and paid courses also. The paid courses which are in offer as a free, for that you will be getting the certification also. So now let us go to the Edgeonics. So the Edgeonics is a Indian platform for courses. So here you will be getting so many courses and also the bundles, cyber security, e-degrees, like that you will be getting a personalized and specialized courses. So you can get the lifetime access for the Edgeonics website. So if you go to their lifetime membership, you can see here if you pay 44,950, you will be getting more than 1000 and you can see here more than 1000 plus upcoming courses in 2020 and 10,000 plus upcoming courses in 10 years. So you will be getting to see all of the things which they will be providing. As if you have money and if you want to invest in your learning, then you can apply for the lifetime membership. You will be getting the cyber security and cloud computing professional degrees. So you will be getting so many professional degrees. So you can see here they are having another offer now. If you buy one course, you will be getting one for free. So you can gift it for your friends, and you can see a mighty web development bundles. So all of these will be having buy one get one free offer. Full stack JavaScript developer e-degree. So you will be getting the e-degree also. So some of the courses will be here for free. It is similar to the Udemy. The Edgeonics courses will be the paid Edgeonics courses will be having some of the coupons, and you will be getting that courses for free. So this is about the Edgeonics. So this is about all of the top courses platform. So now I think you may be having the understanding of how this platform works, and how many courses will be there for free, and will you be getting the certificate or not. So if you have any doubts, then you can just comment it down in the YouTube. I will be clarifying your doubt. Please share this video with all of your friends, and let them also understand how these websites work and how many courses you will be getting for free and along with the certification. And like this video. Thank you guys.